I know I work hard. Palagi ako on time and I work OT when needed. I would really appreciate kung ma-acknowledge ako ng boss ko. I feel really bad for people who are passionate about their work, then slowly lose their passion because they don't feel valued or supported by their leaders. What do you think about this, Ms. Karen?
Mahirap talaga yan, especially since people expect this from their leaders. Everyone deserves validation. Now, the public will get real on this issue and on how you can finally take pride in being able to work with a team and leaders that listen, care, and empower you to become better.
I was in the same situation sa previous work ko. I don't feel valued and supported. But when I got to Teleperformance, dun ko na feel yung support and value nila.
At TP kasi was my first job.
Okay.
And I was only 18 years old that time. So, alam mo yun, nakakatakot. Kaya I'm really thankful kasi it's easy to work with everyone eh. Tsaka, they're understanding at hindi ka talaga maiiwan sa ere. Nakikita kasi nila lahat ng efforts na binibigay mo sa work mo. So, my TL always tells me how valuable I am.
Sana all!
True, sana all. Kasi I did not feel that way dun sa previous work ko. Before, I feel guilty whenever I take my leaves or take some time off because I feel that I'm pulling my team down. But here in Teleperformance, they encourage you and assure you that you can take some time off when you need to.
And that's how it should be. Even hard workers and people who love what they do need some time off to rest, step back, relax, enjoy, and be refreshed.
Correct.
To be honest, there are so many jobs out there, but it's very seldom that you will find a company whose leaders will listen to you and who will understand you.
Kasi alam mo yon, when someone is taking care of you, talagang you feel energetic or talagang binibigay mo yung best mo just to make sure na masuklian or makita nila yung efforts na ginagawa mo sa work.
Your love and hard work, they're both reciprocated. Diba?
Yes.
Kaya you are more motivated.
Yes. Dito sa TP, hindi lang talaga puro self-love. Our supervisors will really go out of their way just to make sure that we are all in the zone.
You heard it here first. The public has spoken. You are valued here at Teleperformance. You too can take pride in leadership that values and understands you. Apply now. Teleperformance welcomes you. Have something you want to share? Comment below and let's see what the public has to say. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, si Karen Dangala. And we'll see you next week for another episode. Don't miss it. Next Monday po yan, 9 p.m. O ayan, narinig niyo naman sila, di ba? Napakaganda ang nagawa ng Teleperformance para sa kanila. If you loved what they shared, this is your chance to take pride in a career with TP. What are you waiting for? Click the link in the comment section and apply now.